Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the National Park Service app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The National Park Service (NPS) app is an official mobile companion designed to help visitors explore, navigate, and plan trips to U.S. national parks. The app offers interactive maps, trail information, park alerts, visitor center locations, educational content on wildlife and historical sites, and event updates. Users can bookmark favorite parks, find amenities, and access some resources offline for areas with limited connectivity. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Visitors and outdoor enthusiasts appreciate the NPS app for its clean design, intuitive navigation, and detailed park information. It's particularly useful for planning visits, learning about wildlife and history, and accessing real-time alerts for park conditions. The bookmarking feature and offline access are convenient for those exploring remote areas. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report slow map loading, incomplete offline coverage, and occasional glitches in real-time alerts. While it's very informative, it may not replace more specialized hiking or navigation apps for advanced backcountry activities. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the National Park Service app may be worth using if you're a park visitor or outdoor enthusiast seeking a reliable, all-in-one tool for exploration and planning. It excels in accessibility, educational content, and trip organization. However, if you need fully offline detailed maps or advanced hiking features, you might need supplementary apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.